Okay, so today we're going to do a speed stack tutorial. I'm not that good right now. You'll make a lot of errors getting it done fast. But here's the tutorial. So first you need to learn the basics, which is the threes. So you pick this up, boom. Then pick this one up, boom. Practicing like this. Up, boom, down, up, boom, up, boom, up, boom. But eventually you'll learn to do it like boom, boom, boom. Like that. Eventually you'll learn to do it like that. So with this 2-stack, with this 3-stack, 3 cups, you have to boom. But when you do it, don't go like this. Just do like boom. Like bring it up like I'm moving it right now. But when you do it, you're just supposed to go like supposed to go like that. Now we gotta get rid of this 3-stack and bring in the 6-stack. The 6-stack is like, so you get this hand, put your pinky on the 3rd cup, pick it up. On the 3rd cup, pick it up. Don't pick up 4, that'll mess it up. 3 cups, 2 cups. Then you go boom, drop one of the cups, drop one, drop one, drop one, drop one. That's good. Then you drag it down, then boom, 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 like that. So you add these together, like this right here is a 3-6-3. You go. Darn it, I didn't space them out. I'm gonna have to put this one at the edge, these at the edge of the camera. So like boom, 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 boom. I kind of messed that one up. Then that one, down, down, down. You can also do the cycle, which is like that. Then you put this one over here. Then boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Then you put these like this, put this in one big stack. Grab 5 cups, then grab 4 in the other hand. I like to do it like this. Then back at 3. Like there. There's a 3-6-3. The cycle I just showed you, if I'm not doing it. Then you can get rid of these 3 cups. Or not dull, because they're fragile. 3, 3, 3. Darn, I messed up. Don't do that. Don't unstack the cups. I'm just doing it because I messed up. Darn it, I already messed up. That was 550 since I didn't do it. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to cut this and I'll show you how to like unpack it and stuff and how to pack it. So I'm going to cut it. Now I have the bag. The bag, mat, and timer is $30, $35. Then the cups are $30, $35. But you can also find different ones that are cheaper. So you unzip it, take the cups out. They're in this cup lock thing. So there's this little orange thing. You pull up, and you can like take 3, 6, 9. If you want to take out all 12, you have to pull off this little bottom blue thing. It comes off like this. It's not wanting to come off. Sometimes you have to take off the bottom cup. Darn it, it's not coming off. Then you put that over there, and then you got the cups there. Then this comes with it. the timer. Then you pull out the mat. You unroll the mat. The mat has these little things, like, I'm gonna put it this way, these, like, it has these little things, so then you can put the timer on it. And how you turn the timer on is there's this little button right here, which turns it on. Then you click it again to turn it off, so you don't waste a minute. Now we're gonna get into how to put it up. So you get this, put the cups on it, get this, which if you want to right now, there's this little QR code that sends you to their YouTube channel to see also how to do the cups, how to like set up the cup. Put it in that. You get this thing, put it aside. You get this. I like to lay it out like this way for me. Then I roll it up. No, that's not tight enough. You need to roll it up tight. I like rolling up tight. You don't have to. I think it's better to roll it tight, up tight though. Then you put the thing in, put the cups in. I like to do like a format to where like, I'm gonna pick up my phone and show you. Like, to where there's the cups and like the cups are here, the mat's right there, and the timer's there. So, hopefully you liked the video about speed stack cups, and now I'm gonna snap you into the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned and make sure to subscribe for good luck. Peace.